Let's talk about these two prepositions of movement, to and from. The preposition of movement, to, it talks about something or someone is moving from one place to another direction. For example, we're going to the town center. So from my home, we're going to the town center. So there is movement. Moving from one place to another direction. That's the preposition of movement, to. What about the preposition of movement, from? It is used to describe where something starts. For example, she's moving from Paris to London soon. That's all about prepositions of movement, to, and the prepositions of movement, from. Hope you've learned something.